If you've ever thought about creating videos but weren't sure how to get started, or if you're just looking for a faster, more efficient way to make high-quality videos, this tool is for you. We're going to break it down, walk you through the process, and show you just how powerful this platform really is. So, before we get into it, the first thing you'll need is an Invideo account. Once you're in, let's get started on the journey of creating your first video with Invideo. Now, when you open up Invideo for the first time, you'll see it's pretty user-friendly. It's not about learning complicated video editing skills or spending hours in front of your computer. Instead, you start by simply typing in the text or script for the video you want to create. That's the magic of Invideo AI. It turns that text into a fully realized video. Let's say, for example, you want to create a video explaining how to use Canva for beginners. All you have to do is type out your script or bullet points about what you want to cover, and Invideo AI takes it from there. It automatically generates a video, complete with visuals, background music, and even a voiceover if you want one. How cool is that? You can even customize how the video looks. There are tons of options for visual styles, music choices, and even the tone of the voiceover. If you want it to be energetic and fun, or more calm and professional, you can easily set that. The tool also allows you to pick background music based on the vibe you're going for, whether that's something upbeat, chill, or in between. If you're someone who likes to experiment with different audio and video combinations, Invideo makes it simple. Once the AI has done its thing and created your video, you're not stuck with what it gives you. You can go in and make tweaks as needed. For example, if you want to add some personal touches, you can upload your own footage, add extra text, or change the visuals to better match your message. Invideo has a huge library of stock footage, animations, and images you can use to enhance your video. But let's say you want to take it a step further. Maybe you want to show a real demo of how to use Canva on your own computer. No problem. You can record your own screen or video and upload that into the project. You're not locked into the automated process. You have complete control over the final result. One of the best parts about Invideo is how easy it is to fine-tune things. You can trim clips, adjust timing, and make sure everything flows smoothly from start to finish. If you're adding multiple clips or images, it's super easy to add transitions between them to give the video a professional polish. And don't forget about sound effects or background music. You can add those too, straight from the platform's audio library. It's all about making your video as engaging and high quality as possible. Once you're happy with everything, it's time for the final preview. This is where you get to see the video exactly how it will appear to your audience. Check the visuals, listen to the audio, and make sure everything looks and sounds the way you want it. If everything's perfect, you can hit export, and the video is ready to go. It's that simple. Invideo isn't just for YouTube videos either. Whether you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram, or even just a quick promotional video, this tool can handle it all. And the best part is that it adjusts the format and style to fit the platform you're posting to. You're always ready to create videos that look professional, no matter where you're sharing them. If you're still wondering whether Invideo AI is worth it, think about how much time and effort this tool saves you. It's designed to make content creation easy, fast, and efficient, even if you have little to no experience with video editing. The AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, but you still get to add your personal touch, making each video uniquely yours. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or someone just wanting to get into video production, Invideo is a game changer.